tita, saka si ate. Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to our channel. It's our third day here in Taipei, Taiwan. And mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Iniwan ko muna yung mga bata, yung asawa ko sa hotel. Kasi papunta tayong airport. Susunduin natin yung ate ko at saka yung tita ko. Kasi nag-decide sila sumunod dito sa Taipei, Taiwan. So, sunduin natin sila. It's currently 8 a.m. 9:15 a.m. yung dating nila. So, let's go. Samahan niyo ako sa adventure natin ngayong umaga.
It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day.
Super linis dito sa Taipei, Taiwan, guys. Ang ganda. Gandang-ganda ako dito sa country na to. Malinis, tapos talaga pagdating mo dito, ibang-iba yung itsura. Pero ano lang siya, almost ano lang, less than 2 hours away sa Manila. Let's go. Teka, tawid muna tayo. Habol tayo, guys. Tayo sa Airport Express. Nag-aantay na ng train. Ayan o. Medyo malayo-layo yung lakaran, guys. From Taipei Main Station, siguro mga 15-minute walk. Kapagod. Anyway, maganda mag-Airport Express, guys, kasi konti lang yung station na titigilan niya. Around, pagpapunta ka ng Taoyuan Terminal 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 stops lang, guys. So, kung nagmamadali kayo, maganda yung Airport Express. Yung purple line, yung piliin nyo, kasi yun yung konting stop. Yung commuter line, maraming stops yata yun, guys. So, mas matagal ng mga 10 to 15 minutes. Etong Express Purple Line, I think nasa 30 minutes lang, nasa ano na kayo, Terminal 1. Hi guys, kakababa lang natin ng Airport Express train. Naglalakad na tayo papunta sa arrival hall ng Taoyuan Airport Terminal 1. Hanapin na natin sila ate at si tita. Sakto lang dating natin, guys. Hindi pa sila nakakalabas. Ayan na sila tita at si ate. Oo. Natagal nyo. Hindi, wala naman pila.
A few moments later.
How is your first meal here sa Taiwan? Mukhang hindi ka nasayahan, tita. Hindi kami nasayahan dito sa meal. Hi everyone! So we're done eating lunch. Dun sa Xingfutang. Ito siya, yung maraming pilang milk teahan. Meron din silang ino-offer na Taiwanese authentic food. Kaso nakakaumay yung braised pork with rice nila. Puro taba. Papunta na kami sa hotel kasi pwede na mag-check-in sila tita.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Dito na kami ulit sa labas ngayon. Papasyal namin sila tita at si ate. Punta muna tayo sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Iconic monument dito sa Taiwan, Taipei, Taiwan. Let's go guys. Nandito na kami malapit sa Ximen Station.
It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great.
Guys, so andito na tayo ngayon sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. 2 stops lang from Ximending area. Feature tayo dun sa may gate. Yung famous gate dito sa Chiang Kai-shek.
What that meant was I had my family round. And sometimes I can't help but frown. Then I remember what I meant for. It's so simple, I just say, gotta just celebrate. It's gonna be A-okay. Life's too short to waste away. One step at a time's all it takes, okay. It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great, okay. Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. I'm acting brand new. You can tell that bad news. It can go in van moves. I'ma be like I chew. I'm allergic to a bad mood, ayy. Okay, let me ask you, if you got a smile on your face, raise your hands up, ayy. That's the mantra, so get up off your feet, go ahead, stand up. Okay, what's the...
Hi guys, ang ganda rin pala dito maglakad sa park sa gilid ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Yun nyo, so peaceful. Yun nyo yung mga pine trees, yung mga tree. And ang tahimik. Actually ako lang maingay eh. Pero kaya maganda tumambay dito guys, oh, pag nagpunta kayo ng Chiang Kai-shek. Chill lang. And malilim guys, tignan nyo. Yung ibabaw covered by trees. There's a fish. Buy tayo ng food guys for the fish. Pwede mag fish feeding doon sa pond. Okay. Press. There's the food. Yun. Dito tumambay sa gilid ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Meron palang pond dito na may bridge. Tapos yung background mo, yung exhibition hall dito sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Yan, nag-fish feeding na sila. Ay, may turtle din pala. Ayun guys, oh. May mga turtle, may koi, tapos may birds din, oh. Look.
Gusto niyo pa? Bili pa kayo? Doon lang, oh.
Bibili pa daw sila ng food for the fish and the turtles. Magandang activity dito guys for the kids. Yan, oh. Pwede kang bumili ng pagkain. There. Food ng fish and turtles. Woohoo! 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 Eto, nag-aabang ng isda to. Sa gilid ng Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, Moss Burger. Ayan, oh. Sarap ng itsura ng ano, ng burger. Tapos umorder kami ng hot dogs. Etong burger na to, 100 NTD. Ito, 70 NTD. Sarap. Yummy. Sarap, bebe. Sarap. Hi guys! So tapos na tayo dito sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Pag nagpunta kayo dito guys, bisitahin nyo rin yung gilid na park. Maganda rin siya. Pwede magpakain ng fish, mga turtle. Tapos may mga birds din kayo makikita. It's nice. Nung unang punta namin dito, hindi namin napansin yung park eh. Kala namin parang mga tanim lang. Meron pala siyang pwedeng upuan. Magandang picture spot din.